Here's what we are up against. I just passed Monument Hill, heading towards Denver. Monday, January 8th. Blizzard conditions, 50 to 60 mile an hour winds. Luckily the roads are a little bit better now. On the way up the hill, you could barely see the road or the lines or anything. Then of course we got behind a plow, which never is a good thing. Shooting air and snow everywhere. It's hard to see. But yeah, I'm just north of Monument Hill now. And it should be good. I think the snow is slowing down as we get closer to Denver, hopefully. Of course, you always have the people that are going super fast too, so just got to be careful. Stay in your lane. Be safe out there.